You know who we're drawing today? Who are we drawing today?
Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig.
Yes, we're drawing Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. Can we do Daddy Pig first? Yeah? Okay, let's do Daddy Pig. So Daddy Pig, just like your daddy, wears glasses, okay? Glasses, okay, but his glasses is round, like a circle. So we're gonna draw his glasses first. Big circles. Very good, okay. Try to make it round, okay? We're gonna connect them, the line, okay? Then we're gonna draw the top of his head. So we're gonna go from here and go closer to the glasses. Okay, we're gonna do this this oval here for his nose. So here you're gonna draw the oval for his nose. Okay, you're gonna come here, and then you're gonna draw the bottom of his face. Okay, curve. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the bottom of my face. Trace this. And his eyeballs in the middle of the glasses. Black dot is in the front. Then we'll draw his cheek here. Small smile here. And we're gonna do his mustache. Mustache is fun. He's got 4 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he's got 6 on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And his nose, his nostrils, ears. Okay, 1 over each eye. So that one has a ear and this one has a ear. So I drew my head too big, so my body is gonna be a little bit smaller. Okay, so take a look. It's the same size.
He looks like George.
Yeah, he's a big George. Okay, now we're gonna draw his legs and his arms. Okay, so legs are small, just like yesterday when we did Peppa and George. Okay, skinny leg on each side, foot is pointing the same direction. Okay, then we got arm here, right, 3 fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So are they coming from the shoulder or his body?
On his body, yes. And now we're gonna do Mommy Pig, okay? Mommy Pig is a little bit smaller than Daddy Pig, because Daddy Pig is really big, okay? So, I'm gonna start with the circles for her eyes. So we're gonna do 2.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 big eyes here. One a little bit higher than the other, okay? Okay, you need to be closer to the middle. Stop. You have no room, okay? Middle of the square, please. Middle of the square.
Here.
Over here. There's 2 eyes, right? So left eye and the right eye.
Right here.
Very good, very good. And we're gonna do the top of her head. Okay, so this is gonna be like this. Okay, and then we're gonna draw her nose.
Oval.
Oval.
Nostrils.
Nostrils, and then this is the line that connects.
I know, Daddy.
Okay, so what happened is, yeah, you see how that's not right? Okay, nope. So what you should do next time is you draw the nose part first, okay? So this line first, no. Nose part, nose is over here. So draw that line, stop. So from there, you come down here. From there, curve, perfect, see? So this curve doesn't go that way, it goes this way, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and trace mine. So
You do your nostrils!
Charlotte and yelling.
Can you do your nostrils?
And her eyes. So what's different about Mama Pig and Peppa is she's got 6 eyelashes per eye, okay? So on top, 1, 2, 3. On top, 1, 2, 3. On the bottom, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The smile. And then her cheek is over here, same size as her eye, okay? And then we have her ears are between her eyes, so one here between the two, and then one here, okay? I'm gonna draw her body. So her body, she's wearing a dress just like Peppa. So the bottom part is straight, okay? Very good. And then we're gonna do her feet. Her legs and her feet, just like Peppa.
Skinny.
Skinny, exactly. Okay. And then her arms, again, they have a skinny arm with 3 finger, okay? Skinny arm, 3 finger. Skinny arm, 3 fingers. Okay, Daddy forgot tail.
Right, tail.
Tail, don't forget the tail. I always forget. Alright, so that's Daddy and Mommy Pig.